Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Towards Understanding the Self. It's an ETT first year book, bestseller book, J.K. Bose, Jammu and Kashmir's book of new syllabus pattern. And see the can see the poster. It actually resembles the name of the book, which is Towards Understanding the Self, and which is very good. And it's an Hindi medium book, so let's check this out and review it, whether how good is it. So let's go to syllabus first. Syllabus is mentioned unit 1, exploring the aim of self, to enable students to develop a vision of life, then to encourage students to give conscious direction, then to develop a holistic understanding. Unit 2 is mentioned. You can check discovering one's true potential. Other units 4th, 5th, 6th are mentioned. Then you can check unit 3, develop sensitivity. Unit 6, and other units are mentioned. You can check unit 7, 8, 9 are mentioned to develop enable students and to encourage students to develop sensitivity. And then unit 4, peace, progression and harmony. Other things are mentioned: to develop the capacity to develop capacity to establish peace, to establish harmony, to develop the meaning of leadership, the understand the meanings of social disharmony. Then the last unit, I think, to explore attitude, uh, uh, the methods need for facilitating personal growth in students, and the topic is facilitating personal growth. You can check to explore ways of integrating the facilitation of personal growth. So I think this book has syllabus is the book. The most good thing about it is it's given in both English and Hindi, so that any kind of reader who wants to understand it in English can read it, and who wants to understand it in Hindi can also read it. So all the 5 units are very well are syllabus is very well mentioned. Now let's come back to the things which are inside. The beauty of this book is that every topic is covered in detail, are very well neatly covered, and the topics are highlighted also in both the languages, in both English and both Hindi, to make it easy for any kind of reader to understand it. You can see the topics are highlighted in both kind of languages, so you whatever you want, you can whatever the reader wants can understand it. At the end of every chapter the questions are also given, so you can solve it by yourself. Then topics are also very, the things is, the unit topic is also discussed in in both English and Hindi language, and till the last topic of the book, it's covered in this. You can see till the 17th topic, which is meaning and concept and needs of peace education. It's covered in, it's discussed in both English and Hindi. It's highlighted in both English and Hindi, and for discussion Hindi, because it's a Hindi medium book. The language of this book is also very easy, uh, and you can see in between brackets also the English things are given in English to make it easy. And the language of the book is very easy, very simple, to make it easy for the reader to understand it. I highly recommend this book to you. The page are also very the size of pages and everything is also very good. The quality of this page are very good. And in the back side of the book, other topics are also given. Other books are also mentioned of ETD first year of J.K. Bose of Vinod Publications. You can check them out also. And second year books are also available of English and Hindi medium both. Now coming to this book price is just rupees 229.50 rupees. It's available on both Flipkart and Amazon also. It's, or you can call them directly at 9218219218, and book will be delivered to you in just 3-4 days time. Or and also you can, if you want to check out other books of this publishing firm Vinod Publications, you can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can go to their Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and you can also visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com. So, and if you want to buy this book offline from bookstore, you can also buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby location of which has ETD books. This book will be easily available to you at just rupees 229.50 rupees only. Also, if you have any complaint regarding any book of this firm, you can go to their helpline email id at help@vinodpublications.com, and they will definitely reply you soon and solve your problem. So 229.50 rupees, buy it online or from any available bookstore, it's your choice, from Flipkart, Amazon, or from bookstore, it's your choice. So 229.50 is a very good price for this book towards understanding the self. I highly recommend this book of Vinod Publications. Do buy it. I highly recommend it. It's an amazing book. Thank you so much.